Mama, are we going to the village today?
Yes, Mirha, today we are going to the village.
I am so happy! Wow, Mama! The trees are so green!
Yes, the air is fresh and clean.
Mama, what animal is this?
This is a cow.
Hello, cow! Can I feed the cow?
Yes, you can. Be gentle.
The cow is eating! Mama, the chickens are running! Cuckoo!
Yes, they are very fast.
Mama, this goat looks funny.
Yes, goats like to eat leaves.
Can I give her some leaves? She is very hungry.
Look, Mirha, this is a fresh egg.
Wow! Give us eggs. I'll not drop. Mama, the dog is running to me.
He wants to play with you.
Catch the ball! Mama, the dog is running to me.
He wants to play with you.
Catch the ball! Mama, the field is so big.
Yes, farmers grow food here.
The plants are beautiful. Mama, I feel scared.
Do not worry, I am here.
I'm scared now. Village is so much fun. Mama, the ducks are swimming.
Yes, ducks love water.
Hello, little duck. Mama, what is he doing?
He is watering the plants.
I want to help him. Mama, can I climb up?
Yes, but be careful.
I am so high! This milk smells nice.
It is fresh from the cow.
Mama, these flowers are so beautiful.
Yes, flowers make the village colorful.
They smell so nice. Mama, this tree is so big.
This tree is very old.
It feels strong. Mama, can I pick an apple?
Yes, pick a red one.
I got it.
Good job, Mirha. That is okay. Try another bite.
Now it tastes better. Mama, the water is so cold.
Yes, it feels fresh.
Mama, the clouds look like animals.
Yes, I see a dog and a rabbit too.
And that one looks like a horse. Wow, this house is very old. It smells like wood. A cat lives here too. Mama, the food smells so good.
Yes, fresh food is healthy.
I like this ride. Mama, the sky looks so orange.
Yes, sunset is beautiful.
I love the sunset. Hello, ducks. Here is food. Mama, the chickens are too fast again.
Yes, they like to run and play.
Mama, the chickens are too fast.
Yes, they love to run.
Mama, can you tell me a story?
Yes, I will tell you a story about the stars.
Mama, why are stars shining?
They shine to make the night beautiful.
I want to touch one. Mama, I love riding the horse.
Yes, it is fun and safe.
Goodbye, friends. See you tomorrow.
Yes, we will visit again.
Mama, today was so much fun.
Yes, you learned many new things.
Mama, can you read me a story about animals?
Yes, let's read together.
Aju, mata kami.
Go to sleep, little one.
Mama, the chickens are too fast again.
Yes, they like to run and play. Hold tight, little one.
Mama, I picked a carrot.
Good job, Mirha. You are kind.
Mama, I want to draw a cow.
Yes, use red and white colors.
Mama, I love the village.
Yes, it is full of fun and learning.
Friends, how did you like my village adventure? To see my next adventure, subscribe to Mirror Easy English.